Looking to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Today we're exploring the best thickness planer for woodworking. From tackling large boards to small pieces, we'll break down top models, features, and performance. Stick around to discover a wood thickness planer that can make your workshop more precise and efficient. Number 1. DEWALT DW735 Thickness Planer. The DEWALT DW735 is built for serious woodworkers. Its 15-amp motor and 2-speed gearbox handle wide boards effortlessly while giving you control over feed speed for smooth, precise cuts. The 3-knife cutter head spins at 10,000 revolutions per minute, offering longer knife life and easy blade changes. A 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base keeps it stable, while fan-assisted chip ejection keeps your workspace clean. Features like an automatic carriage lock, material removal gauge, oversized thickness scale, and turret depth stops simplify accurate planing. With a dust hose adapter, crank handle, and blade change wrench included, the DW735 delivers reliable speed and precision every time. Number 2. WinPL1326 Thickness Planer. The WinPL1326 turns rough lumber into smooth, ready-to-use boards. Its spiral cutter head has 26 staggered HSS blades that slice cleanly through both hard and soft wood. Powered by a 15-amp motor at 10,000 revolutions per minute with a 26 feet per minute feed rate, it handles boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. The heavy-duty cast iron base ensures stability, while the material removal gauge, depth knob, and built-in depth stop make precise thickness adjustments simple. In-feed and out-feed tables reduce snipe, and the adjustable dust port keeps debris under control, making it a reliable choice for home workshops. Number 3. VEVOR Thickness Planer. The VEVOR Thickness Planer is ideal for turning rough boards into silky smooth surfaces. It can handle lumber up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Its widened work table with pull-out extensions provides 35 inches of support, while the cast iron bed and steel plate keep boards flat and steady. The solid steel 2-knife cutter head delivers smooth, consistent cuts. The 15-amp motor at 23,500 revolutions per minute makes quick work of rough lumber. Safety features include a 20-amp overload protector, and the dust port connects to a vacuum for clean operation. For prepping or restoring wood, the VEVOR combines power, precision, and convenience. Number 4. Powermatic 15HH Thickness Planer. The Powermatic 15HH is built for professional-grade results. Its helical cutterhead with 74 carbide inserts cuts quietly and smoothly, leaving tear-free finishes. A 3-horsepower motor with 3 V-belts powers the cutterhead, and 2-speed feed rates allow switching between heavy stock removal and precise finishing. Cast iron tables with extension wings support large boards, while return rollers speed up repetitive cuts. Lockable casters make it easy to move, and the angled 4-inch dust port keeps chips away. Durable and precise, the 15HH delivers effortless planing for any project. Number 5. FindBuyTool FB131 Thickness Planer. The FindBuyTool FB131 makes precision planing simple. Its 4-row helical cutterhead with 40 tungsten carbide inserts produces smooth, tear-free cuts on hardwoods and softwoods. The 15-amp motor runs at 20,000 revolutions per minute with a 27.5 FPM feed rate for fast, quiet operation. The 4-column design and anti-wobble base provide stability, while the 8-position repeat cut depth stop allows batch planing with consistent thickness. A dust collection system keeps chips under control, and the cast iron and aluminum body adds durability. Compact and reliable, the FB131 is perfect for home workshops. That's our guide to the top wood thickness planers for woodworking. Which model fits your workshop best? Share your thoughts below, hit like, and subscribe for more practical tips on planers and tools that make woodworking easier, faster, and precise. Check Amazon for the latest prices and details.